Yeah. Jesus, you're my everything, yeah. My everything is you, Lord. Yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Everybody say,
How can I express my gratitude
for all the many things,
you've done for me?
Words are not enough,
Enough to say thank you.
So Lord, you are my everything.
You're my everything.
How can I express my gratitude?
How can I express my gratitude
For all the many things,
you've
Father, you done for me, yeah.
Words are not enough to say thank you.
So Lord, you are,
Lord, you're my everything.
See, I call you Jireh.
Lord, my provider.
I call you Nisi. You are my battle. I call you Rapha. Hey.
You are my healer.
Say, Lord, you are.
Lord, you're my everything.
I call you Jireh.
Lord, my provider.
I call you Nisi. You are my battle. I call you Rapha.
You are my healer.
Say, Lord, you are. You are.
You're my everything.
Uya matinyana. Uya matinyana. Uya matinyana. Oh, uya matinyana. Yeah, so uya.
Moya matinina. Moya matinina.
Yeah.
Moya matinina.
Oh, uya matinyana. Say, I call you Jireh, say,
I call you
yeah.
Lord, my provider.
I call you Nisi. You are my battle. I call you Rapha. Hey.
You are my healer.
Say, Lord, you are my everything. Yeah. Are you ready, everybody? All right, listen. William Miguel, come here. 1, 2, 3.
Oya mi kwa kopela mabani. Many the soul.
Yeah.
My life is in your hands. I can live without you.
I can breathe without you, say.
I can breathe without you.
I can move without you, Lord.
I can move without you.
Hey. Who am I without you?
Who am I without you?
Say, I can live without you, yeah.
I can live without you.
I can breathe without you, Lord.
I can breathe without you.
I can move without you, yeah.
I can move without you.
Who am I? Who am I? Who am I? Who am I? Hey. We are my thing now.
Oya matinina.
Oh.
Oya matinina.
So, oh, yeah.
Oya matinina.
Yeah, we see a chain view, Bre Asubio say, was a Yeshia na Yade Jumedie, the community and the law, a day abroad, and a year, meaning that the very last Saturday in February 2021. If I'm very cool for important, me da say when ya kwine na fi, wama me ho kwine so say, memra wabrabo mu ewo ufie ene baby a wo bia. Ene ye ko animu pa na fi yahwe. There is somebody would say a monster that haunts us when it is that we're making applications for our children to join us here in the UK from anywhere in the country, anywhere in the world, especially from our country, Ghana. Sole responsibility. The mate expression be any term be a lawyer for any kuhun part when it comes to immigrating matters. Not a sole responsibility. When a war ehwe ene dwumadie sronko ene asodie sronko ewo akwada bi abrabo mu se ote abrochire UK ha se ote Europe bia ana se ote Ghana. Me babe pe answer e de amount. I'm going to exercise that good stuff, so responsibility today. And it's a good experience you would want to have. And in Tibomodi say, Ubefre will be now, Akache and said the community and the law is airborne now. Yeah, live our Facebook, BWF Solicitors. And our things so live our Ureku Owusu Bosompem Facebook. Yeah, live our YouTube, BWF Solicitors. BWF Solicitors a lawyer for Jumukua. Yadi Amoto on so a say a banner say opese lawyer ni kujawo a war court. Ye application and who appeals amount. Say opese ye wo inshishe amount efa we japade ho we juma ene wabusuan sama hodo ni nyina aware divorce de tibia. Me catch will say the #1 legal organization, legal firm. One lawyer for papa, what to what someone say, what to Kasa, now fe will name send your situation is it here. Now a BWF Solicitors. Geoma number. Short to her. And son of you know na unim say Eddie I'll be here one. And unti short to her now fe and they won't ending come or Juma Monday to Friday, a free and upon 9:30 could see numerous 6 o'clock. Or 4th floor of the Anna House. Iowa, North London, 7 Sisters train station at Top Horner. Number no near 0208 493 7340. And that's 077 127 61884. 077 127 61884. Makana say you know, Mami Misa Senator saying. About home buying, with social distancing, no the year Juma. Do you cover your face when you are in public space? When you're Kenya say ubekwa vaccine, na ochichon huana. Me pacho, listen. Koko why? Mimi woye na ochia besen last week Thursday in minya 1 week. 1 week 3 days. Me ho but I non so anxious say e mo ho buying. Wash your hands thoroughly under running water for at least 20 seconds. Use your hand sanitizer when it is that you have to. Cover your face with your face mask or your face covering when you're in public space. Enter when you swim it. And into your moya hobby. Did ye now immune system no enya ho day and top it up with the vaccine when it is your turn. Ausia ye ko enkomo so. Na me da say o de we fidie no ato na wa fer to na say womra emehia mo a mo share yen ewo Facebook page no so yes I've seen that the activity is going on. Last week you gave us 374 shares. This week I want 500. Am I too ambitious? No, because I also be a enya ho emfa so but answer na no me koton kraba na fe mama the update for today near bar ye yan guest and our resource person for the day, Eddie Abro. Are you ready? We'll be right back.
BWF Solicitors is a leading and an award-winning solicitor situated in London. Our expertise in family and matrimonial law encompasses divorce, separation, children matters, family breakdown, and financial orders. We focus on all aspects of immigration law. Our areas of expertise extends to visas for individuals and businesses. These include spouses, students, visitors, EU applications, investors, and more. We also undertake appeals and judicial reviews of negative decisions. We hold Law Society Quality Mark in immigration law. Our family law solicitors are dedicated to finding the most effective and pain-free resolution for our clients through the provision of sensitive, effective, and affordable legal advice. We are also Ghanaian law specialists and have advised many local authorities and other solicitors on aspects of Ghanaian law. We have also advised businesses looking to relocate to Ghana. Our senior partner is dual qualified as a barrister at law in Ghana and solicitor to the Superior Court of England and Wales. Client satisfaction is our #1 priority. This shows in the number of positive reviews we have received from our clients. BWF Solicitors, your preferred community lawyers.
Say we e-uni, e-uni ebusiani, wawari e-uni da, wasitana ukutane e-uni nchina yadema na since January 2019, when your application be anko home officer, very likely say what the ano yadada ni bi, and only a sebra, na da sisano. Timomo bi ante na omon sisan. Ono abetimi aye internet so, ni phone so. Ope lawyer obetimi akọ lawyer, but ono abetimi aye. We nye minisika nti manye we nye anya de wa obetimi aye nti monye na June betwam a ye nti kra se ye mu bi kra sa de we aka no ko basa na ye nyina no na ye tete because na was ye pe kwan a ye de bebo ho ban
se uwo ho nkita hundie bi anase ho asem se bia Bomodia se obefre BWF Solicitors. BWF Solicitors. Ewetimi aboa ama waye wo EU settlement scheme application na June edru na se etwemu a wani anyo yaya because the betri no enya dia ebeyenika. For BWF Solicitors it was 0208 493 7340. A lawyer for any team na wa no omubia ebetimi aboa ama body surgery no ama akoye pa. Word to the wise is always enough. A stitch in time saves 9.
BWF Solicitors is a leading and an award-winning solicitor situated in London. Our expertise in family and matrimonial law encompasses divorce, separation, children matters, family breakdown, and financial orders. We focus on all aspects of immigration law. Our areas of expertise extends to visas for individuals and businesses. These include spouses, students, visitors, EU applications, investors, and more. We also undertake appeals and judicial reviews of negative decisions. We hold Law Society Quality Mark in immigration law. Our family law solicitors are dedicated to finding the most effective and pain-free resolution for our clients through the provision of sensitive, effective, and affordable legal advice. We are also Ghanaian law specialists and have advised many local authorities and other solicitors on aspects of Ghanaian law. We have also advised businesses looking to relocate to Ghana. Our senior partner is dual qualified as a barrister at law in Ghana and solicitor to the Superior Court of England and Wales. Client satisfaction is our number one priority. This shows in the number of positive reviews we have received from our clients. BWF Solicitors, your preferred community lawyers.
Yeshane ye live ewo Facebook, Yeshane ye live ewo YouTube, Yeshane ye live ewo Abawa Radio, and afi platform inya ba Odobi Kasa. I think that's Bridget Odobi Kasa. Ono and so at the Mayans yemfa the platform no so na afi yemfa live event no ento ho emfa amount. Ye corner fe akwakwotwetwe enkomo na migidi yese waye krado obetumi atwepen ne paper ade ato na fe watchocho senior lawyer Francis ade ebemaye no ananso so say obefre obi say brabetna se na fe yigina yeni enkomo menko na fe mi acknowledge dodo a woni yen ehia ewo ahoma no so no na fe yenda won ase you acknowledge you or live on Facebook, we are live on YouTube. BWF Solicitors. Manyanate, greetings to all on board. Thank you very much, Patricia, for your foster, so to speak. And I feel one ajimai. Gina do say you were ajiwa and ajimai. Wumpini Adam, I was so. You were inia dokasadum. Inshaba Gladys Minta, your Amos Day, Sansuso, and your Louise Fia Brown. Yenianuma Ucha Asia in Germany, in Hamburg especially. Now, what's not say on a big screen on your YouTube page? Now, Fi Moshe Munso Yadamwasi P. Anita Daiso. And that's it. Okay, me uncle. Now, Fi so your war Elkanah. And I feel Papa Kofi Sefa Frepo and Mofra Monso Moaji Atum. Na mo encouraging penny for say Omontanasi no mon hwe sanya we see akrono. Your questions, your concerns will be looked at. Yebehwe ewo ahomano so ebreno so. Yebebie line no 0208 1231016 0208 1231016. And also say obesendo text 07950 422 780 422 Ebremo me gidi say I was me de me special guest, my resource person, my big brother, and a very competent lawyer at BWF Solicitors. Uncle Francis.
Yes, sir.
Apomoko.
Nyame adom ene empire boa tembia o krekra ye no. Ena yede asidama no. Say nenso wasa de Saturday asa.
Yeah, say we are not bad. I want to call.
But you're careful about British weather.
Seriously, when you say there was a day way back, a couple of years back, within a day in your 4 seasons, in your toy, a real boy, snow by, and I feel Musa a joke.
That's British weather for us.
You hear that sippy Yabe a show say and then so about the cat yensa. Now, me per se ye de yen common no ashisha so anti Messiah Boa Mani abuse say ubitimi afre yen 0208 123 1016 later on say your activity lines and that. Francis and the monster, the thing that people find it difficult to prove. Sabani immigration, me titi mona no. Man for say you say bibi the sole responsibility one qualify and until you refuse to application yeah there. Sole responsibility. Say home office work kasa there na omo person chere.
Yo me da say na ye be dane ye ketere makakra.
No problem.
Puto kasa mu ye be kan say broni kasa English kakra. Because in Ghana for pen every studio. Yo, what I'm trying to say is a very good afternoon wherever you are, and greetings to wherever you are, whether in the morning or in the afternoon. Our main topic for today is the sole responsibility. We're looking at it when the Home Office talked about what is sole responsibility. So we're going to express and digest what the sole responsibility is all about in terms of making an application to UK Home Office. Wherever you are, be in the third world country, you want to bring your child or others into this country. So let's look at it, what's the concept of the sole responsibility. When we talk about the sole responsibility, we look at it from making application. We're going to pick it up in 2 folds. Being one, entry clearance, and being the other, where you are already in this country and you want to further leave or you want to apply on the basis of being a sole parental responsibility of a qualifying child. When we talk about a qualifying child, it's being a child who is British or has had 7 years continuous in this country. So in 2012, July, Home Office did amendment with their immigration rules. And as such, they created a portion for it being Appendix FM, being the family route, your private life and others. And on that basis, alongside, they were using paragraphs dealing with that. The paragraph that talks about the sole responsibility is paragraph 297 of the immigration rules. So when we talk about the immigration rules, it's trying to incorporate what, let's say, if you want to come to UK, if you also want some sort of, you haven't got a stay here, or if you have a leave which is limited, that immigration rules guide you how to make your leave to regularize your stay in UK. Being outside or within, and your relative wants to come and visit you as well. So the sole responsibility, when we look at it, it's basically talks about who has the parental control and direction of a child.
So then my question would be, why is it difficult to prove that? Because if I have the sole parental responsibility, the sole duty to make sure that the welfare of the young person is seen to, why is it difficult to prove it?
Yes, it is because when we look at our system of our human activity, we always look at it that it takes two persons to bring up a child.
Okay.
Being the father or the mother, or maybe you've adopted the child. Okay. So when we look at it that way, it's always in the mind of the Home Office that at least if you want to bring a child here, the first question they put across is, where is the other parent?
Okay.
So it's up to you to let them know where is the other side or where is the other parent. Okay. And normally, is it the other parent abandoned the child or abdicated his or her duty as a parent?
Okay.
So these are the basic questions we need to ask ourselves before we put in or make a statement that we are applying for a child on the basis of sole responsibility. Let's look at a bit of the immigration rules, what incorporates or what brought about the sole responsibility.
Okay.
When you look at the United Nations Convention on the Right of a Child, it talks about under the Article 3 that any decision making or any you trying to look at the child thing, something involves a child, it has to be the best interest of the child.
Okay.
When we talk about the best interest of the child, we're looking at it in making sure that the decision you're going to make, it shouldn't affect the child. So as such, the UK government incorporate that bit into their immigration rules, being Section 55 of the Borders, Citizenship and Immigration Act 2009.
Okay.
So whenever they are making a decision, the first thing they have to consider is the best interest of a child, whereby there is a child involved in that application.
Okay.
So as such, whenever they are doing that application in terms of the sole responsibility, the first thing the Home Office or the caseworker have to look at it is, do we have a child involved in this case?
Okay.
Are we going to consider the best interest of the child in this case? Because at the end of the day, if they don't do it, they owe a duty under the UN Convention on the Child, the UN Convention of the Child, under the Article 3, that you have to make sure that if there is a child involved in such application, you have to consider that.
Okay. So the monster of the sole responsibility in the UK immigration issues and application is not necessarily something that we should be scared of, but rather to put out our case so cogently in that whoever is looking at that will take into consideration the interest of the child to make a decision so the child can join you or cannot.
Yes, you're right. So as such, when you look at the sole responsibility concept, typically it's not easy to prove, you being the parent or trying to tell the Home Office that I've got sole parental responsibility over this child. There are a lot involved. It ends up in such a way that the court interprets it, and as such we call it some sort of a case law. There is a case that involves the whole scenario about this sole responsibility. It is called TD Yemen.
Okay.
Because this case wants you to prove some things when you're talking about the sole responsibility. And what are these things? You coming up and saying that this is my child. And they will look at it and say, what shows is your child. First, you have to show the relationship.
Okay.
And the best way is using the birth cert to show is your child.
Okay.
Fine. And the next stage is, do you have a responsibility over the child?
How do you play that?
That's the question. And this is where it makes the sole responsibility difficult to prove it.
Well, I'm seeing say afi na wode wafide no ato ha ene ye hwe say wo ye application akofa wo ba every Ghana and say bebia e de aba UK ha de ubisa ene say wo na wo hwe abofra no ana na wo na hwe abofra na ekwan ben so na wo kire say wo na hwe abofra no wo ba no wo fa no unua eno no na se wasudie e wo abofra no enne sen eno ennem se ya na ekofa ensem bebre ade eba no na ene ichi ayeye like Francis wo ha oba behwe na afi wacheche yemu ekwan ye befa so akọ na yeyi sa question no ano intitisa na afi yenko. When you have joined us on the page, please pick up the like and the subscription button, click on it, share, and of course make sure that you get a notification anytime and every time that we are live on. The Community and the Law is your program, and it brings you everything you need to know when it comes to the laws, especially here in the UK. Uncle Francis, my main sign and brow, so say ye de baye ankasa ye die mo ye dodo na ye tukwan babetna se ebebo ye ho adwa etintim ye nan ansana yakofa ye ma ye yerenum ede aba titi mo fra no eba mu a na home office say kire se wo na wo hwe akwara no eno na abrofo no ka no sole responsibility sa na ye hu no simply sa and now said there's something else we need to look at when it comes to sole responsibility.
Yo, me dane ma no kakra. Yo, the etienne say ye share ye immigration and some a boy who buy a fast office or kofa akolaba send a city. Say so responsibility na. Yeah, na enye easy say obey prove at home office. But the year can in BWF solicitors in the your researcher yeah found when they say you will quite be very fast for you to me a immigration case where can say ni say nipa no person ko fa akola na ba no omiti requirement no because ye shema say untimi fa wa no pe enkoka nche case where can say oye me ba me na ma hwa akola na na first question na aya o mu bisa ne say maame ne papa ene hwe akola na so mo akola na o maame na ba se ye wo ba papa no wahi nti de ya etie ne se woni papa ne relationship say ne sitie mo ware ana se mo da so te ho no mo ena nyame adaroma wo aba betina abochire ena papa na wo Ghana na nti wo na ese sa questions yi wo yi ano fine me ne papa ne wo e but ye nware ena nyame adaroma maba abrochie a abrochie na me ba ye no baba benya mabehia be ma foforo ama me dia ye me krata bibia ye kama me sa wo bakora nso wa hanu mo
Okay.
Inti hona wo ka wo onsem no question na beba mitima me no as a lawyer mebusa ne say okay na hwan na ehwe akola no wo efie hono na obeka kire me say oh me de naja me maame eye akola ne nana inti me maame na me de aja no me ka kire ne say ade no eye temporary basis say
Hwede kakra ma me ya me ba fa me ma.
That's it. Inti se me ba na masitina mu ye bibia ye kama e wo kroma no ma me ba be fa me ba aba be ka me ho.
Okay.
Oh, inti hono fine. What you say papa ni akola na
brabo.
Inti anya hope first obi be say we beat first head no. Na de to aso ne ye. Inti ye hwema fine, what you say papa ni akola na brabo mu. Debe na wo ye ma akola ne poti. Ho na obe kire o mu say me na me ka kire akola no ana se me ma me ka kire me say akola no ene akola ne yare a me na me ma instructions ana se me ma the direction say fa ne ko hospital we wo de ne ko a doctor na ma me ne nkasa na me hu de ha akola no eka bi e bebo achi bia no mia metua
okay
and also no what you say what take sole parental responsibility on the aspect of akola no medical issues
okay
anya no pe ni suku asem nso and also sa e bia o maami o Ghana osimakonya school ama obey when now be decide they say fine school ni kra no say na sitie e ya dia say school no kra no manage ho a ana say e bia maami amenya research na me say school no kra obeboa akola na na nti wo hwe na afo say school ni nya obetima ka say eno misro per school foforo wo ba bi mame ana say miami suma ye bi me hu say school we na mpese e dia akola ne ko because me person me establish say wo na wo ha no wo control e wo akola no ni nioma bebre ho directions decisions
okay
because eno na be mo show say wo so parental responsibility e wo akola ne so because so one hwe ye na one nye sa nioma umnya improve na aka say oh me de manual aka say me na me hwe akola ne ntimi ko fa na ba home office be ma application no that's it
okay
inti sa nioma we mu nyina no eye nioma bi a e wo say inti men na you say it doesn't mean say o ma me no o Ghana no all running the day to day activities of akola no but the ya home office hwe ni say o mo pese o mu say o continuous control and direction about efa akola no welfare and upbringing
okay
and no na ya o mo pe no o mo pese e bia say wo de na akoma abusuani say on share day to day and I say tembia no wa mane de bebe chi bia no womfa ho
okay
ma wani nko ne ho na ne decisions una make sure say we need the final say e wo ne life
what can be say ma wani enko ne ho na wani enko ne ho no sabe me meti abrochire me ba no ete Ghana
yes
me de no eja me maame
yeah
aye ne nana ana sempo bia ma pe obi a ohwe abofra no ede ama me se mani ekọ no ho a sen na mesi a kire home office case worker no se akwala no mani dinachi
yo me da say se me ka se ma wani nko ho a che se wayi because of the distances no oti abrochire yemfa ne se oba no wo Ghana inti in this case no technology a play part ewom ebi ni saying oh asemasi enema frenesi me maame so
okay
me pese me ne me ba ne kasa ono ba kasa ebi a WhatsApp so e wo say we have that record
okay
into make application na watch say oh that say me ne me ba ne kasa e che ne de say wo ye anya no pe technology asaba wo betimi aye money transfer akosi maame ne so o maame so na maame de aye de say akola no wa man direction say on fanye say no fanhwe akola no no so no wo ya application na e was say evidence na wo de come nti e wo kwan bebre doesn't mean say wo ti abrochi na no ti Ghana wani ntimi nko na ho technology aba in such a way say yetumi any obi communicate eye de say eye wo send ne money de say wo ye bia no through technology no and na titu so e was say wo kostra no okay because adie ba kwa ya ye jai tumu no
okay what about niema be ba kwa na mi no so me mfa ne didi so I so wo kire say akwala no wo ba no
yes
nti bia the birth certificate
yes
echiniye eba ho aminim say wo be ka atum
yes
echiniye eba ho a koye DNA
that's it
okay eno every ho a I was say akwala ne ho hia wo nti wani di na chi what I say my I say ene ye na ko school we me ana mhwehwe school no ma no ma yese wani edi na chi eno eye de wo mate ase de toso bi no de toso mi ensa eye se obedan
yo de toso mi ensa se bia o ma ne na kire se at least me mane ekosi o ma me so
okay
o ma me so na ma me de one man o ma me direction say
na
fa yes say
okay
so into but no no we hear evidence first place.
Evidence is the name of the game.
That's it. Because I knew my way munyano. O share the air home office. Ye be na omo kan na omo pese ye ni omo din komo omo kan say. We are all aware about the situation. But evidence being and how they support it. So I knew my way munyana.
Okay.
Inti wo ye bibia na no wa try say ube keep wo evidence no. Would the best support this application is obviously will be in future. Why?
Okay. Lawyer, me miss a question we say small responsibility question no. Normally ebemu ya na ase awarija yaba. Inti yam fa this situation be a year me wo mami and sawa Ghana. Bema me ne wo ye na me ne nyina na te e wo Ghana. Ena awarija ya ba ye. Ye guno. Nkrata ni ade nyina certificate ni ade nyina wo so ye guno. Ena me hia obi a owo Ghana. Ena o se me pesa me waru. Ba me mente ha. Eno nti me kwa broche me ba be fa wo de no ba no ba be fa wo. Obronika bibi love me love my dog. Inti no se wo emma definitely wa be ye uma because wa worry me and nkwala na ye memma.
Yes.
Say eba no sa why na wo say o prove so responsibility. Me oba na ya be worry me di me friga na ba me kunu eye British say no and wo say me show responsibility. And na say enkwahwe be ma na me no wo ye no say masa o mami ensen o yire say oni omo kwa akota aboche because of so hwe omo or they call aware foforo no. Role be na sa be ma ne be play and na say asudie no wo ba no nko aso.
Yo, I am the say well peja side way about because nanka me pese ye twia nanka me de akwa kwesi so.
But I did not sao problem you wa no tutu na ye bi awareja ya ba nti mama ko fa me mama ka me ne me kunu. Na ko fa problem about.
Yeah, because all share side way ya there where ye pay ya ye shema am fall under the sole responsibility.
Okay.
A best shifty akọ say o ka say wakohia ba ma foforo waware no oni na aware na aware no before so o ma ne ya we say me wo emma wo ho nti be ma na be ye na ba no ma emma nti in this case no be ma no e file a because say ma me ne na hwe nkola no ne former partner ni nkola ne life na mu to o file a obe file nkola no as well aka na application no.
Okay.
In this case na nye say obe kire say owo so responsibility e won nkola no.
But he also be show responsibility. Okay.
There wo wo say o kire say ni kru na wa fa na foforo no. E na e ba be fa ne ho ka fo aba brochi.
Okay.
E na ode ne ma aka ho. Nti bibi say no o make application na o make be cover nkola no as well.
Okay.
And I'm running and my home can say, Obetumi aye, afa ne hoka for no was afa ne hoka for Emano as well. Why?
Home Office betting refuses application.
A ya na ding. Say Home Office Becca just say me refuses application. No. But I say raising Ben or the Bema say
yeah.
because what you say inti oba be fa ne man oba be fa ne yire no won ja nkola ne ma hwan ya. Fine. Oh, but in running mark when they call catching is on coffee and you could not farmer. Oh, because all the time, no, yeah, who says section 55, no, a play role as well.
Okay.
Sir, who make a decision be now collide involve Sheniye, no use the best interest
of a colana.
That's it. Into which I'm colana, why never show more. They are Home Office as so when the relatives for no more. But in your Home Office now be decided.
Okay. I dream yes symmetry was here. Me fan say me na me case worker.
Yeah.
What the case a bremes me ba be fa or ma be fa me yire. Ne ma e wo ho akiri me de oba na ba betena say at least we sisi ne na yi nti me kofa me ma na answer mama no ma no ade aba. In this case probably ba kom yenu mi ansa.
Yeah.
Na Home Office a refuse with a reason say, oh, Bema na oni oba no ewo ye no at a point no hwe nkwada no pa na ni kunkwada no ho pa nti obetumi agya wo mo ama wo no na wa so abetsa wa ware ho no wa hye bibi ase. Would the Home Office or the caseworker be right?
Me da say me sa question ya me nya bi na say nti na me ka sa.
Okay.
And our first question be see me Home Office decide ni ba na first question e see me to am say Home Office dey be na chair say be man na hwe nkola no. Because why your research and answer wakwa osmo bi am na kwhwa na answer dey. Because these are the things omo pre-empty things keke.
Okay.
And it's not all the time say Home Office is right about the omo
Decision.
so and no na a me then say court bema court in the judge me say Home Office for koye then na who say bema ne wo ho.
Okay.
Oh,
Only evidence.
That's it. Yeah, baby. Just mommy here and no make case be yeah Home Office or more can ho asem say or more refuse to make client because any sika anya. Yeah, call judge ni hwema ya table kama ya dey ade na to judge nanim.
Okay.
Was Home Office I na mo say ni part time sir. That was what the judge said. Home Office ni part cho ni or legal team ni part cho in front of the judge.
Because what prove case?
That's it. Inti anche wo court okra. 5-10 minutes any go asem no. Oh, into these are the things Home Office can and you be bia no mo can I was here GD.
I was here say afi and what joining your live on Facebook BWF Solicitors. You're live at YouTube BWF Solicitors. Understanding sole responsibility in UK immigration rules are very pertinent. And we're so fortunate that BWF Solicitors through this program is giving us insight into it and how we can answer the question of do you have sole responsibility over these children or this child? Situation by ena wom. Me gidi say question me bisa ye ewo Francis or ye no amai anansa me dey ato ho no questions dokoro wadwene mu. But you might have others as well. Into what you are sending comment your comment section on Facebook and YouTube. Na you be pick a day ama or announce obe send a day a bringing text on our WhatsApp 07950 422 780 07950 422 780. And I say in Chakra, you be a humano. And then man come on more bon bebre into you ready. Na far questions no consents and bread. Lawyer Francis more in yano my number no 0208 123 1016 0208 123 1016. Mepacho pick up the link and share. Or the ato WhatsApp group no so do na ebenya somebody else will also pick it up and share. Now say o be free obi na watch no atna mo smart TV no say TVs are being virtually every one of them has YouTube embedded in the applications or more adiaguso no enti ko YouTube but BWF Solicitors na ubenya live ho hwe ne kakaka na ne abusuafo ni nyina entena ho enhwe o question na den what they bring me and now say o texted ya but what me cry your voice note we'll play it na ye de ama lawyer Francis na wadi ho djuma e de ama lawyer Francis macho mama sai and review na maybe say proving of sole responsibility a ye documents e bia you say if approve a bra bosome dodo saying in fear dodo saying no say me prove say sa abofra me kan ho asam no me na me hwe no.
Yo, yeah, share say oka say Bosome say time frame na. Emranu mo no ye need time frame bia wo say 6 months, 1 year, there be that. And na me can say so responsibility no o ka wa asema eno na be kire ama case work na start busa questions e free on mo. Da ben na woni anase wo be play the part of say wo so responsibility wa kola no. Inti no questions are case worker ebe pese obebusa no na wunya yi ano a na betwe time a ebe anase obehu say okay if say woka say akola no papa ni jae oni ni jae mo wo akola no waja na ma o maame na o hwema be for the last 5 years obeka cho say okay evidence we
Okay.
Into the way I will be kawasem no, and the memo mabusa say from time frame no, and I say from time I work say ubenya so responsibility wakola no. Me feel say nka unya sa documents we from that date up to now kebe prove story. But yeah, making sure say emranu mu no bibia ni wo a eche say
also prove 5 years
that says and I say the only thing is say ubema case I share Kenya no man ya where say so responsibility no me na me chair akola no me wo control one so na me say man directions me yi me na mu mpaboa e dia share me maame e wo Ghana say the day to day activities no on share so but when it comes to decision making that's it.
Metse obi agina homano so enunti meko na mako akofa ene me setan medical kana nkomo no mema wa bamu bebre 0208123116 but you're live on Abawa Radio as well our UK house so to apeti we are say agina anti se me mfan say wo drive and unya the chance to watch the video you can listen via Abawa Radio as well but ni nyina nso so no kai say ye de beto ye page no so BWF Solicitors YouTube page BWF Solicitors Facebook page but that's why to see another edition and even when we have come with another edition and a new one crown old one no did you ever miss it and enyadia ebe era I mean go home so 0208123116 hello.
Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
And good evening, Lawyer Francis.
Evening, madam, it is saying.
Na ma yete. February 9 no. February 9 no.
February 9 ordinary last day.
We batch of my yete.
But more questions fiabe for the medical examiner's answer. Me promise me Crawford be saying me do mo question about the two na mashi mama and shut down so responsibility no answer. Nekoswa ebisa. First one, I not say or pacho over class 17 years was Ghana. Now, they say Okufane Bana India no also tia LHSC and EFA application one. And near Tosumi, no.
Young fan about Kuba.
I see. But I say,
but I am fan about Kuba. Why?
You okay?
Put up paper and pen. Yo, first one, so person can find a bar a free Ghana bar. Ye mra no more a far IHS sena AC can say akolano omo exempt from sa IHS near omo less than 18 and above 65 and now say omo disability inti sa nkrofo ko miensa we no o fall within that category untua IHS why
yo and obeti makato musomuchi
yo
inti no obeti na me mo answer omo fun say me lawyer certificate
omo be so much if lawyer
they are answer no so very correct.
You will connect us to be also. Okay, please. I did application from Ghana to join my wife, but I was refused without any proper reason. Now, Obisa say, should I still apply again because she has not yet done her settlement scheme? And Sana, or the question me.
Yo, sir, well, yeah, family permit Emma Nehoka for no more refuse here. Now, or more refuse no normal man the right of appeal because normally Anna I was mama because of a family relationship, you know. Sir, or person say bioma me no person me busa say dey be na esi ni kwan a onye EU settlement scheme no. Because I was say well yes EU settlement scheme no before say June 2021 ebe so. Why? Aha. Into 1 year and I say opeso sa make another application, fresh application I was so say omu relationship no na genuine and subsisting before 31st of December 2021 no 2020. Why?
But you when you miss third one and so on. Na when so say over Italy sisia na no man ko ye ma no na opese afi na opese oba kromo ha na aye too later na say kwan foforo wo ho a obetumi aba na wabeye ni settlement ni bi.
Yo, the American say your boss we devro fiti last year even up to now kran that's so bohu devro. Yeah, there on any situation no obetumi aba abesra yen but ontimi metena so be EU settlement scheme ni bi.
Okay.
Me ba just what ho na say.
But
oba assess say no wonye part of say EU for na omuti adada no. Inti oba ase oba be ye insrahwe e wo UK. But ontimi ntina unless says of person otina ha ofa kwan foforo under the point based system no. Why?
okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Memena start. Me da mase mombo edwuma yensi yeti.
Yes, yeah, that's it. Na my tea. I mean, in show. Yeah, yeah, back now. Fee, yeah, me fa some of the comments are Facebook and YouTube platform. No, so, Lord Francis Obibi, so say a friend applied for EU settlement in December. He received a mail in February saying that he didn't finish the application, so they were giving him a week to complete it, else it would be deleted. Unlucky for him, the mail landed in a spam. So he saw it after the deadline. When he went to do the completion, it said there was no recent application. Is it late to apply again? Because this is what they asked him to do. Well, yeah, application when you omodi abreno say on sign and twaso. Na ade no nso so ekokoto ba bi foforo na afi ne ho akire ne. Ade na pa ho. Yes, no recent application. So it means on shini nyina ase foforo na.
Yo, sa de we etasi but nipa ho adwuma na both home office na inside no ti bibi sa to the only thing is sa ye biom na explain say omo decision and say omo email no omo send e no ekoto wo junk mail so in this case no because bibi ye no ye wo exception to that.
Okay.
Because omo nim say at times it goes beyond your control and ya wo pe say nka wo hu some message we na wo bu ani agu so say no kwai dey na wo kan dey fine momunya aware say ekoto wo junk mail so na afi na wo hu nti wo isa ye application for on the basis say this is always inti na wo sa ye na for why. Okay.
0208123101 60208123116 mamin call line so na fi in fact you know I was so hello but I was so nti ma yenti o wa hello okay. Line no akatia eni na yenko enkonkofa comments na inuanum bi ade abano yo bako ewo ha inua Diamond appear ade aba. Good afternoon, lawyer. When a biometric appointment was cancelled because of the first lockdown, I've not done it, but I have been granted leave to remain 10-year parent route. I received it 1st September 2020. I'm still waiting to go for the biometric. Always the lawyer says he has sent a reminder to the Home Office. So please, what can I do? It's a scenario where idea may sure say Mota Asia.
Yes.
Uncle Bonnie Insano, lockdown Tina DB appointment to a messy. Will be cried there, none be no dinko. Say, time not so, you're not your closest center down and Yadia will be to me a quack bonnet Insano. You say, or say, oh, yeah. Send you a question on the buy. Let me just even pick it up again at Minsai and Fantuso. Say, yeah, the letter bread and say, I sit on the mano. But also, Coban in San near the card, a man and some of Timia Koyene and I nominate idea. Is it a desperate situation for Nipacrana?
Yo, So your client in this side are definitely are desperate for them because on no feel say paper and war no still no me here card no. Into on that basis no or find ways and means to go and do the biometrics. Send a bay card no why into so I was tibia numa they are making say home office or more of crime or they solve issues. Because case worker or your case, I'll make it that decision. Or feel say acquire the biometrics. Because that's it. I don't think the decision the brand. Decision you ever shame crown or send it through email. And your post. These are the things about a tour our side. The best thing is Uber fight to say Uber acquire biometrics, send a bay on Sabeka card. Otherwise, and yes, case worker no. Oh, the way home office a year or more new man. The other decision is different from or more biometrics, when the card member. It is from different department to other department. Unless or no more be communicated through biometric session, or name the course. Why? Yeah, if that's the case, best thing is just say maybe a decision if you can remind the case worker money aware now on sending through first or more biometrics supra stera now book you for appointment yes biometrics
because a decision and in that case no bit me at the accord DWP say omonye and a number manana
letter no in some way no, that is what it should be. But the marketing say or make say o card they can anyway.
I didn't know
that's the question. Because in some way, no, letter ni I was say more accept to say letter is from the home office. Home office logo boss. And I will read here, I just say, yeah, the Adena man. Into debe
you and no more,
yes.
A delay at the no.
Yeah, and also make sure say, I didn't know Mubusa say, Uncle Pesa biometric card in his American.
Okay.
So
I mean, Kahumano, so now, Fame here in our bus, so 0208-123-1016. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, good afternoon. It's saying.
Good afternoon.
Good, yeah, that's CP so afraid. But it's your.
Me pacho na me pese me buza Uncle Francis. Me statement ma me pa girl. No me tu na me ye. And no mo 50 or more. But later no me imagine na penny no 19 to me try say me ye on no DFS. And sana my year the other one. But me ye so much I refuse. It's not me person me busa says omo ye free say I can't buy ne bema. It's makes me ayo mumi ni die aboman
yo me pacho ma me busa wo dia na okuta inkrata be.
Me pacho me kuta krom hadi.
British one.
Me pacho ai.
Na dia na ma wo koye sa enkola ne dia na EU settlement scheme de.
Manye EU me settlement ne ma wo mumi no.
Oh, we a settlement ne ma enkola ne mienu.
Mienu, but omo refuse ye.
Me pacho ma me busa say on that which basis the entire we a settlement ma enkola no. Woni omo na start with settlement na say say
me ye my application me like me worry British ne na me back room ha.
Yes.
It me ye my application me the omo to me so.
What do you want to application is to time I ever for free baby I'll free.
Yeah, baby family. It's 2 years time na me ye say me yo mumi no na me ja ketwa no answer.
Okay.
Me ye no o man fa ma wo mo.
Yo, mame musa enkola na di 5 years o kroma na.
Me pacho there be omo Ghana.
Good. Because omondi intinka omo Ghana no, u make application say enko form umra na.
Me pacho ai.
Oh, okay. On that application no, now that's only British ni that's wo ho na.
Me pacho up to na that's all.
Yo. Inti wo yes application, wo the British ni kan wo application ho ana, the documents ka ho.
I first one me the can ho. And omo refuse say omo nye me ma. Inti ma me appeal DNA test e kan ho.
Yeah.
Be ya na me ti wo mo kan ye. Inti me yes okay. Any fresh application but time I want to me ye no. na ahoɔden ni ni hɔ na panyin nso ɛkɔ 19
Okay.
wɔdi 19 to me say me try on my own one son my second one but me say no so no refuse say no so
Okay, now reasons been a ya omodema if I refuse no.
First one no the omumi no me yema omo no mo se bibia nkyerɛ sɛ me mane wo mo nti ma me kɔyɛ DNA test na me de appeal but man ti wo mo nka
Me pa cho say oka say sorry o say oka say one ti omo nka because who appeal procedure ne say be court na court ya free home office na unso ya free na ya ka asem no nti say oka say omo anya yi a it seems say we ma omo back.
The ɛkɔyɛ ne sɛ on sɛ wo ya on bɛka sɛ bia person ba hearing no but man kɔ hearing me ka sɛ o mun take decision no
Yo so we hearing na you omu two either paper hearing or oral hearing. Ye ka paper hearing ya who pe say who do documents be ko no ma hwe paper no so no ma make decision from the judge any point of view. And ye ka say me ba cho say
me pa so me the paper one into me the documents koye.
Oh, okay. Yeah, until on the basis of papers are the call, you know, and I'm making a decision. Now I'm making in favor of you, and I say, I'm dismiss it.
Omo ka say nkwala no papa e wo ho ntine there is omo hu ne say omo ye okay organic ade na mpesa mbefa wo mo.
Yo, we application who state say nkwala ne papa way.
Owo Ghana ba na mini na jai nti me ma me na me de ne to application ne so wo hwe me ma na ma me.
Yo, one now yeah na lawyer na yema.
Me pa cho me na me ye.
Yeah, because normally the ban is say na wo hwe say wo tie ye nkomo a ye start ye na efa sole responsibility and share parental responsibility and even yeah, host, you know, raise question. Uncle Kweku raise question. Say what worry British ni na ukofa unkola abani ade. Me catch you say scenario bi kra mimi nyae. It's similar to the kind. Yeah, it's similar to case, you know. But say shisha unioma no one shisha ni year. The year case where can say akola ni papa wo ho. Me say ko do court cry ka say Judge Bisa said, now Kolani Papa, I don't know one pack Kolani Papa Maname. Into these are the things how Beko Kawasem no, and the Bema Home Office still are no more full say Kolani Papa. And on the basis, no, say, oh, sa case we say no. Advice I made the man say, oh, they kokota, men yano, oral hearing. Why? Try say tem biano, obepe, men yano paper hearing. Try say obey no oral hearing, no what pe. Representative being the council no call argue judge in name because
council is a lawyer
okay. Barrister barrister okay. Goes to the court name it is omo ko no money judge ne kasa omo timi explain in your match judge na to say we try the na go papers for ofo say judge ne be hwe na wa fa no there be that because what say me nka wodi ma lawyer nka me what say no nka uti anye kra nka ndu court on the basis the only refuse here and say relationship ni nkola no and now akoye DNA and now they call court because honey say no first thing counsel and as a barrister oma obeka say you hear refuse na omo can about relationship into why a DNA into what else do they want again so into problem e wo say judge na wo hwa de no e every people so no ni trimu no questions be on man ka wonya ko benya answers but obie ni ho be man answers no into on that basis no the people na e done anim no e no dey make a decision but just what you say
me pa trying
but too late but who bet to me about
first one no to say me say apply for first one na me say the age means no so omo refuse here. And me question is omo mienu na omaka no me prefer to say no nka me ma mo boa me na me hwe process e dey na me fa so ansa na me start your process no
me based on the work no I think pick up number no na book appointment na bra be hu lawyer for no BWF solicitors na omoni hu adwuma ma. You might not necessarily even have to come here or more video appointments near the ntino free na fe book appointment. But what number na dada?
Main phone number we now.
0208.
Pacho.
Number we there for programming NT. 493 7340.
7340.
Bachai.
If I show you.
Okay. All right.
Many Uncle Francis another auntie unit.
What over to me about me? Oh, Bono.
Minkwana minkaho.
Okay. The Uncle Francis namlene katinti kamenya na.
No problem. What the offer us super so who Uncle Francis? Why?
Me pacho me dasi.
Yes, you da CP 0208123116 and now say over text 07950422780. Hello.
Pacho, good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Me Pacho, me question and say, Bema menene wohonum. Abasa do British book. Emma yeba. Inyango enti ebe wona de. Na ne employment history no. Oje wo tax one ho buy 2016 or ejuma bet ensure wo history let say echianeka like a 00 it's no ejuma ni bi wo honum the pay ne 00 and me di bisa say be ye so rich media je book na kitna na maka na and I said bi wo ho so
Yo, me pacho be man me guess o EU ni ana.
Actually, you need an hour settlement. Like, I said, 5 years according to indefinite.
Yo, when your settlement now person Jima Akolana di say.
I said the other one.
Oh, I fe na mobile be no. Yo,
By me more.
Inti only problem kra senyame ya adom na Akolane be eba wi ase a. Enwa ne say at that time Akolane ba ye no. Papa no settle dada. Why?
Actually.
And here straight Obako apply for British book no. O nya say be say because e gabo na yi no. Why?
Actually.
Yo.
Okay.
That.
Yes, that's CP 0208123116. Uncle Francis, you need a big question. What say after successfully okay. Why yet fee waiver? I'm gonna go through.
Okay. Yeah.
Now, say certificate code no expires in 10 days. Can I continue to apply for my 2.5 extensions since it expires in 2 months? Say, Obi, I a pocket lawyer. No, I question.
Yo, share your fee waiver na. Say, make your application to fee waiver na yes successful. Omoma 10 days to do actual application, being the family root application. No?
Okay.
Now, sa code no mudi amount no. Eya na expire 10 days. It is a one share ye na money expire. Eya na difficult say ubetumi as a ye ubetumi aye o family root application. To the best way ni say I expire first contact the home office. Normal embryo fufro. And now say ubesa ye application fufro, fee waiver application fufro. Why?
Na I know sir no fee waiver yi mu ho asem ye ayi kakra. O stress yam fa obo na nchao. Na dimra so wenso dimra so watwen ya ma na ye. Yes anya din to apply for it again.
No, anya din. Anya din kra because now say omanya technical issues e fa bebre. Code ni kra oboshe ma times I na be mpeke. Okay. Through that, I no more recommend this as I biom. Why?
Okay.
Until no there any problem.
Okay. But we will be bisawa say what's the difference between EU family permit and EU SS family permit application?
Yes. Share
sir, answer na be no. In fact, June near true.
Pa.
No, me me money dinner.
Okay, yo.
Me mate be send ya messy akeka madwina kire.
So,
What's it?
what's
What's what you? June woni ache o.
Enyo no.
Mpacho de chim
Yo, o share EEA family permit and EUSS family permit. Nso sia wo mu no and say EEA family permit na ye under regulation 2016 free movement ye free mu. Nti omofo say people are still in the system betumi make some application no so omokofa omoka for ni nasefo. And now wo ka no say unye EU settlement scheme na o person okofo bi omoka for now show relationship before December na ube use sa EA family permit no but say why EU settlement scheme na ube use sa EUSS family permit no e dey application no why into the only difference they say one is under regulation 2016 and one so is under where you know that EUSS no family permit no and no year under where you know EU settlement scheme no why
Obi at the WhatsApp message be about let me pick it up quickly and start big grammar side at all board now you was say 16-year-old who's been given an indefinite leave to remain for 5 years from Ghana. I'll say can a 16-year-old who has been given an indefinite leave to remain for 5 years from Ghana apply for citizenship before the 5-year due date?
I'm afraid not. Because we hear almost citizenship, you know, or Ghana, or Bakroma no more. Well, I don't know, sir, if we are aware about the residence requirement now. Yeah, na dangerous pa. More chill say, sir, upe say because way British Nationality Act 1981 it was straight requirement in terms of say upe say would naturalize it to become a Britisher. First, ono na yamane indefinite no obabe rem no. Afei no obabe rem onyantina kroma.
Okay.
And one of the requirements is a residence requirement.
Okay.
It's a no crown, no.
It's disqualified.
These are the things I would say you're careful about that. Say you perceive jump into something now. We need to research and find out. Say what are the requirements? Am I eligible? Do I qualify? These are the things I will say. Why?
I will say, who for you know joining the community and the law committee and your day browi na your lawyer Francis Owusu Bosompem your chenya or boy na fe your day who anu ye no a day amount questions no bit me ascend a day a brain via text or WhatsApp 07950 422 780. And I say ube fre yeah number the jumano 0208 123 1016. And the topic I de e buy na ye di hon komo ya boboso kakra ye sole responsibility. E kwa be fa so atiase na ye kunu se ni sitie na fi ye the requirements of it sebe ya ubetimi ade application atumwa case worker ontimi enye wagadrebia na fi watcha atum amount and tentem na se koba ne se wa amfa reason papa bia akra so e de refuse so ko lawyer for na afi omo enye appeal ne ade no amount e back critical fa court na afi lawyers and as a judge and wasam no amount ye wo frɛ ye wo ye comments ane ade obetimi ade aba 07950422780 and also obe frɛ 0208123116. Hello.
Hello, Michelle. Opa.
Me Joso uncle.
Michelle ni lawyer we are right.
Yeah Joso.
Yeah, Joso.
Me want some kito akrebi sa lawyer.
Ma neso kakra bi ka ho ma me na mende.
Some person sa lawyer say person me DNA copy ma ofie ba. Me you from remember na me nyanye ready ba me person me DNA to I was filing data na azaroma.
Yo, Fred and I say. Yo, Fred, we are DNA in the expiring date. Why?
Yo. That's me, sir.
Yo, say busha for me.
If I tell you, I'm not going to lawyer. And no more that room you go.
Right there, I see.
020812. Yeah, that's the people.
Me ba twa yam hwe sa yi we. One say yeah can not so responsibility. Na me were more into entry clearance. Uwo Chroma so a obetimi ahodu so responsibility their year application e wa.
Okay.
Nti na me person ke hwe sa de no.
Me okay, my fa call we nwe because me wo question bi wo eno ho nti Mr. Oma yemfa we nwe. Hello. Good afternoon.
Afternoon.
I just say boss.
Boko.
I want to was your friend.
Pacho, doesn't busa lawyer.
Pacho yet you.
Yo. Pacho, if I say me busa lawyer, I can say. Oh, I can't say about the we know life insurance we know. Hello.
But you of why?
You can't say to work permit no. Hello.
But you work permit na day.
Yeah, like so we have permanent residence now. Requirement ben na odebe kan ho de akwaje citizen. Pacho.
Yo, okay, say when you're permanent resident, that means what are so you so regulation 2016 a card at the mouth, and I'm a
card no, yeah.
Now, one changing call EU settlement scheme, Libya.
My year application no, but card no, me who send a main fa and G or new card no, with man.
Oh, okay. Now, we are EU and a EU family member.
Family member, please. Pardon?
Yeah. Now, we make a decision. No man send the card now.
Almost said name a card, but you say I do change. Who change new Obama new way be saying card be.
Oh, okay. And no now person who says saying I will be see na.
Patron.
Oh, okay. Your new question. No okuta resident permit under the EU regulation 2016 and obey EU settlement scheme maybe and I am no indefinite but indefinite the home office air can say who permanent resident ye mau card for
okay
there omode mau any only email no inti say who na who pese who change from permanent resident card no e call the new EU settlement scheme nibia I was saying no so we make application all together. And only your application be I was say we your friend replacement of biometric resident card. It is no yes application now be say akobo wonsa no biom. Na omo the current decision na e wo EU settlement scheme no. And no say unya indefinite na ono ne de no definitely indefinite no. No mo the back card ne so ama no. Why?
Okay. 02 but who will be before for?
Pato there be and one and present me.
Mate, yada CP nyame insure 0208123116. Mean hold on to calls ne kakra opija assembly ade by. Sir obetimi aye sole responsibility application ne be for a chrome ha.
Yes.
What's the difference?
Yo, the difference in this yeah share so far the yakano. So far the yakano ye say o mami ana papa oti kroma opese okofa oba o Ghana eba ana say oba o amanane aba
okay
na difference woman say ha no say no uti kroma no mo me ka say uti kroma no ma de me pese me kire ni say wo oba e wo the visitors visa e ba kroma na wo de ba e ma 6 months no ewu ye no e na overstay ye inti overstay nyame adaroma ukoshia obi owo nkrata ena nkrata muno ene asitina muno nyinse nkoba ye na wawo timeka for imane side no inti akola ba mu no because nipa na one ne wo ye no bɛrima no ɔwɔ nkrataa dada no yɛmfa ne sɛ ɔyɛ British ni anaa wasettle dada no akwadaa na mawo no ɔno nso no wobɛtumi agye British passport ama no
okay
nti anaasɛ wo agye British passport no ma akwadaa no wie a although sɛ wo ne bɛrima no anware no anaasɛ nyɛ ɔne nnɛteɛ no wobɛtumi agyina akwadaa no so ɛde ayɛ application on the basis who was sole parental responsibility ɛwɔ akwadaa no a yɛawo no no.
Okay. Lawyer, somebody has trusted me so much.
So,
the Home Office refusal letter, and it doesn't me. Said I can confidently go on because it didn't. Maybe reasons it didn't know.
Oh, that's good.
Intimate me a kind kakra.
Yo,
now what boy me?
Yo.
Or say on this date, or my date, you made an application for entry clearance to the UK under Appendix FM to the immigration rules as a child of your parent who has or is at the same time applying for limited leave as a partner or parent on the basis of you and your parents considered family life with your sponsor as detailed in your application. Your application has been considered under those rules and with reference to Article 8 of the European Convention on Human Rights. Yeah. The relevant immigration rules can be viewed on NOAMA website. This decision takes into account as a primary consideration your best interests as a child.
That's it.
And those of any other relevant child. In line with Section 55 of the Borders, Citizenship and Immigration Act 2009.
Yes.
You are applying from a country listed in Appendix T, Part 1 of the Immigration Rules and have failed to present a valid medical certificate
TB test.
Confirming that you have undergone screening for active blah 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 TB, as you said. Your application therefore fails for refusal under paragraph A39 of the immigration rules. We have considered your application under paragraph ECC11 of Appendix FM. However, you do not qualify for entry clearance under 5-year child route for the following reasons: suitability, eligibility, and relationship requirements. And then no more can. Yes, so responsibility is now.
Yes. And no more can, but on my pinpoint
baby
test.
Okay.
Because one thing about this application, any application be over Chroma for more than 6 months.
That's all your TB test.
That's it.
Okay.
And only the one yet. And
it's a mandatory refusal.
That's it. Mandatory refusal.
Now, the other one is suitability.
Yeah, I say on that basis, no, because 1 year, no.
Trigger the academy.
That's it.
In this case,
yo, so right of appeal 1 year.
Okay.
Why? So, but definitely, on the man right of appeal.
Until appeal, no why your TB test now.
Yes,
there answer questions now.
Yes, because we cry the mama yehu baby a free. Say the omudi jina supporting.
Okay.
Say TB no. Almost say eligibility, but I'll go into details. Eligibility, suitability, relationship no. Because relationship now more can. I don't know so your DNA to support it.
Okay.
No, so I address it that side. Okay. And our car suitability, normally yes, usuni ubai if say or criminal record in as if but or man pinpointing what sort of suitability they're talking about. Eligibility, or mama where TB test no. Indeed, this is whereby we are logi appeal now. No a TB test no. Okay. Now with the account.
But my who are they be? I will say your application does not fall for refusal on grounds of suitability under section S-EC of Appendix FM.
Oh, okay. That means suitability.
Or qualify. Okay. Eligibility.
And no problem, no.
I'll say under paragraph ECC11D, you do not meet all the eligibility requirements of section blah, blah, blah.
Yes.
For the following reasons. you do not meet the eligibility relationship requirement of paragraph EEC 12216.
Okay. All right. Yeah.
The applicant must be under the age of 18. The applicant must be married or in a civil partnership. The applicant must not be.
Yeah.
Okay. The applicant must not have formed an independent family unit.
That's it.
And the applicant must not be leading an independent life.
Yeah.
It is what me answer our questions we are appeal no because
Say easy because sole responsibility is akolana okofobano. It shouldn't be more than 18. Under 18. And under 18 no akolana on chese ononkuanity independent life.
Let's just say sometimes I refuse to a kwan say a hand of our appeal.
That's it.
Okay.
I do. Inti once I walk in here, say so to me the home office
no na appeal no betom. We can 50% na akobene kana.
That's it.
Oh lovely. I pass it. 0208-123-1016. Hello.
Hello, Mr. Orokuna, Francis Owusu. Good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Me touch on more question. Me no bako. Me am the na bako say anam bako there. Me touch first one in there.
Is out the first?
And touch me the ne. Me touch me the ne say. Say no 2.5 parental route and so. And me call 10 years route. 10 years route no. Ebia first one me the call no. A delay 6 months and son of the money. Then next one so a delay 6 months and son of the money, which is 1 year no. They follow my up because yeah, 4 times. In the 4 times no okay which is 2 years. Now 10 years no mean na ebia my last one ebia me try 3 months na me calculate the amekwe waste wo home office for ni na calculate na ka wona say 10 years metum apply in the second now.
Yo, I hear it. Yeah, Tiani say, sign I will still count it from 10 years in the free because once I would do 2 mono for as a parent, you know, now unenya asitina.
Yes.
So, into asitina near the man, the best idea if say home office and make a decision, you know. On into funny say bia would it 2 more last year November. So
yeah.
Now home office make a decision, you know, February year. A friend was sitting on a started.
Yes.
Into ko renew maybe 2023. Now home office akoda wacha. And no say no, and no na count to air course delay any free home office na nyawo. Into on that basis, you know, say our application, you know, unyanya first assistant na ekoda ho na chebe 10 years 6 months, 8 months, 10 months in the crana. With 10 years in the count from that unya, you know. Akoda ho ni nyina no. Ubetumi the account. Why?
Impacho, okay, Impacho, no idea I sorted. And Impacho, madam, for the honestly, 10 years with me, so now, the time I see, I'm not sure for renew, no way, no. Even if I knew that, now, all your appointment, you know, I'm a man like appointment, you know, by, or say, or born in San and change, you know, one your appointment, you know, not or say, them our home office for the way man automatically, which is DV or no DV man automatically. Let me say, now me say they think on book appointment, you know. Into pacho in chemi go wana some chemi pacho.
Yo, the idea say home office the omunio directions be by Nchebia because of the COVID-19 no say na city no. Intina omo ka say wabo nsanu pa omo at times ombeka che say but I know na say o twen na unya email ansa na wadi so ombeka che say ye hu say ye use old biometric na ko enroll here no into on that basis no ye ma onko bo nsanu but ye pese we take your facial image now we upload now send my and no ye one letter ya omota send say wabo nsanu pen ya.
But say 1 year application na omo send was a letter na. I was say booking for appointment. Now call enroll for biometrics. And because COVID no appointment centers na add say uta and I say was say ukono. Almost observe COVID-19 protocols and at times almost na send you email. No ma catch or say booking appointment for biometrics no. Why? Inti unia no and our down for no. More nya na adwin say wabon nsa no painti. Say home office ebeka say and I say onkobo. But yen share the home office beka. Omo na ya omo ma direction say kobo nsa no and I say men kobo nsa no. Why?
Okay, Mr. Francis Pacho. Now, Uche Mitchell, not a percent say. If it were I take it 2 weeks. Also, go train 4 weeks. Now, someone sending in maybe answer no bet your appointment fee and walk upon in Sanono. Into the Pacho, on your answer, like what 2 year appointment at any time. And on train 4 weeks, and I said, Bibi, home office plans and maybe answer now.
Me Pacho. Okay, so why that means they were submitting application, but onyanya appointment.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Well, submit application, but appointment and now or say or train to home office for mano appointment when DV you know somebody send your mano and I say be on bookie appointment now like Uncle Bon and Sano.
There one say Uncle Swan search now on bookie appointment no. Inti because appointment you share no. E do baby I na dey pa easy. Inti from now no one starting share. A bit bar, no a bookie, no a triaka, no a quakoye. Why?
Oh, okay.
Yo.
But that's about.
Yo, bye.
Yo, Onya, Yami in show 0208 1231016. And I say over Sunday or text a day a braying 07950422780. Good evening. Is it possible to bring a child that is 21 years of age to the UK under the sole responsibility route?
Your evening, it's not possible, I'm afraid, because sole responsibility, no, say they are one of the requirements say akolane under 18. Yeah.
Okay. Obi to me, a friend 020812311016. My me here say text messages so not be brave. Okay. More friend Montimi Ingre Mono and your payo na say pressure no kakra elwo was say I would like to know if the lawyer can help someone who want to apply for NHS job from Ghana. Meeting about will be open NHS Juma from Ghana.
Sorry, I'll show up a day.
I apply for NHS job from Ghana. You sure say new scheme no
yeah, point based system. No, I will say unya sponsorship. Okay, I say beginning of this year near come once. Into normally na NHS for no at times I won't recruit it direct to Nipa say at times I the fire agency na because I was say more enya sponsorship licenses.
Okay.
Normally they apply say year person for Kowe. While who apply omo due to ma omo ya I was say omo emma licenses are with the back yes application now what team about join omo. Why?
Okay. Is it possible so bet me apply to the NHS directly? Senitri ye no mo fana omo be man no sponsorship letter.
That's it. Yes. Possible. Possible. International the sort of NHS ejuma or more ediatua say or more penko for mama about cover that ejuma no. Why? It is bibisa or no who bibisa no person ya. Obi ansini kwa. Onye it is almost jini tuma na was more apply for that license no na omo de emano no de I make application about become start ejuma.
Okay. 0208-123-1016 0208-123-1016. Hello.
Hello.
Yes. Good evening.
Good evening, Uncle Francis.
Good evening.
Patrick, 2 questions being said. Patrick, me EU national. Na kofa me baba manenya 3 years wa. When ya your friend is saying. What is settlement scheme in the Yaman? wɔnya yɛ so bɛyɛ 18 months ne na metumi hu sɛ metumi abuki apply yɛ fɛ no sɛ ama na British book ama na
ɔsɛ ɔbɛsɛ ɔyɛ dɛ me wa show market share kakra me yɛ nti hɔ ne yɛ last bit no
but I say
o say why EU settlement scheme ni bi ama ni
ko fa ni Ghana na
ko fa ni fi Ghana ba na why USS ni bi
USS ni bi ama no na onya no 18 months ni
18 months okay
in total na so ba ko no 3 years ni na me person me who say me apply naturalization ama na as a British national ama na
okay
first akola na di say
ana me second but the second one was so
my first one in you.
Okay, Matthew. Okay.
My first one on you.
Me ba cho akola no wadi say.
Wadi 17.
And again no mo de ma no. Omo ma no indefinite and na say pre-settled.
Indefinite.
Yo, and akola na di 17.
Obenya 18 May.
And who apply mo bre no indefinite no. How long in there?
18 months.
Say
18 months, 1 year, 6 months.
Oh, okay. This is in buy no 18 months ni.
Aye.
Yo, the tie ni say nkola de no say unya we na indefinite na. Aka 1 year na wadi 18. Ade na won try na on di 18. Now who apply for naturalization in Mano Prego.
Oh, okay.
Why?
18 answer.
Yes.
Okay.
Say I won no ha.
Ya won ha.
Yeah. Why? To di 18 I know I sa naturalization we na mano application.
Oh, okay.
Why?
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, Matthew. Okay.
Yeah, that's nyame inshaw. Obetimi afre.
Oh, my second question.
Yeah. Oh, facha me. Me pon ko pete mo.
Ana, me say e deals so me wo obi wo wa wo me obi wo hono mo wo ye friend that parental route no so. And it is in the second time no one. Me too so me switch at the media hour na.
Me ba cho so obetimi ube say that o switch na there dey.
At the hour no.
O kuta dey.
Me kuta Belgium passport.
Yeah, sir. I don't know ekuta dey parental or
Ana ono wo parental route so until the second time no no.
Okay.
Ana me person busa say dia make me switch dey. Me dey na ware no na nka wa ba binya edia ma apply settlement scheme ni bia ma no.
Why apply settlement scheme ni bia ma no?
Scheme ni bia ma no instead of the
parental route you know.
Yeah.
Yo, me da say, yeah, share the mrane kano. Because my relationship no started before 31st December 2020 no.
I started before 31st. You were married certificate started before 31st December. No.
Mentio, who break it or no?
Me say, me were married certificate started before 31st December 2020.
That's fine. Sir, ultimate show there. Obiansi require say ultimate switch. Why?
Okay. Ultimate switch obenya indefinite.
Yeah, me too.
Me because me switch here obenya indefinite.
There be
obenya 5 years.
Obenya 5 years.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Until after 5 years, now is obenya indefinite.
After 5 years, no obenya indefinite. Why?
Okay, you'll be down.
Yo.
Okay.
All right. And then say that's 0208 1231016. And I'll say be text 07950422780. You're live on Facebook, you're live on YouTube, and you're live for audio alone on Abawa Radio. And fi Doctors Odobi Kasa o platform no so minim your friend na menya obi ewo homa so me pese ye befa nipa kro pacho wa homa no so no good evening.
Good evening, boss. Me pacho gift ni.
Okay.
Na me pese me busa lawyer Sam kakra.
Pacho you too.
Lawyer me pacho na me busa say Okofa wo ba efiri Ghana na ebia ye refuse no na wo ye appeal a. Me pacho eteki say ansana. Ebia se lawyer no send kwa eteki how many months ansana like wetuni akọ court.
Your gifty, share your appeals directions ne Nansea Omode directions be a free way. The president of the upper tribunal, court now, Eddie Abani say, because of COVID-19, Abana, Nioma nye normal the way it used to be. Why?
Yeah.
In the first nanka within 6 months, Bibia switcha for appeal, no. But say no, the directions about say a follow it me drag ya ko ye cry him because judges and I say it depends on court ni law there wo ho no mo. E bi wo ha mo speed up. But the ye hu ni say so the directions ni ba now we respond quickly e ya na decisions ni contem. Why? Because ba ku bia menya ya the directions ba ya ye prepare ye band ni bibia the come home office. Home office and bia no more withdraw case these are the things so wo lawyer ni proactive or follow directions na nyoma timi contem ma. Why?
Me pacho you. Me da se pa.
Yo. I mean show so 020812310116 obetimi afre na wasende o text and na say obetimi ade ato in Facebook page no so na ya pick up na ya de amount
onko bone fano
the one say onko swa
amafo afemu remu weche
backdoor
020812310116 antobam was so so and you were Rico Darling, mama here's a question now. Is it possible to to bring a child 21 years of age war at the no ebaba UK ha yet to me ano at the amount I mean in show so and you were I mean okay I'm say senior partner and Sankro for questions. Okay.
Oh, boy, me.
He said, "Oh no, nature what to me. So, more and no go cause herself for a day about 020812310116 over to me a day about na fe yaboso a day amount. Me has me apeke obi question na fe. Yade atoso ade ama nipakra. Okay, question now Abba inti mami fan to screen us na yanka. Was say good evening lawyer and everyone. Lawyer Francis, I've been married 2 years ago and late last year I started seeing strange things about my husband's behavior which made me leave home for my safety. I called him one day and he said he was going to court so I should pray for him, and since then I haven't heard from him. I called mom and she was hiding something from me. The mom doesn't want me to come to the house. Doesn't want to, his own number is switched up, so I've decided to seek for divorce. Please advise me, what can I do? Hey, okay.
Yeah, divorce proceedings. Na say me yema juma as a lawyer. Anti opesi oja wari as ye our jaye wa anti ye de beka ho. But ye pesi hu or say be man ko court. Dey nti na be
man ko court.
Yeah, because honey questions be I was say nya answers to. Ye kan ye be hwe maybe be man no kra na file for divorce na enya ono moma. So to me finding out the reason why a man call court now, I think saying but all the same, no. So person we go through divorce proceedings now. You are arranging now. You are filing for divorce.
Okay. Why
now? Divorce proceedings now. The TN say, na or person ye jina wa name no. We are applicant no and a bema ne be respondent in a file a ubetua court fee of 550. The court fee no and a court no ebe save bema no because I was say bema no inya email and unya address na even wo no chere the entia opese ujai bema no Nti say court so ma court be forward a copy to say divorce proceedings no ni nyina ye online application. Nti I think say speedy up and nyoma bebree kwa. Nti say bema no the ya a manager ni say court so ma na omode sene bema no na bema no e was all respond there because at times you know ebi wo ha e koto mo side a omo respond no mo bu omani agusu e ho na ye manager no se bema na respond ntem a e be call back to the court na court no omatena say na oma ahihye hu say ehia say wo say omugu na first bibia to ye a medical issue bibia e no decree na aside na after 6 weeks no na omo issue bibia e no decree absolute e wo krom hanu mo why that's the procedure for divorce proceedings.
Offer from Subitimi Afre 0208 123 1016. Your lawyer Francis Ewaha. Now Francis BWF solicitors. BWF solicitors and Woboyemi Adijumedi Abro if Fiada Otionka Ewa GN radio so Yawada Otionka Ewa Rainbow radio so Drew Memenda Ewianswa na Watienka Ewo Wankasa Wasue na yede enkomono eba de ye ma wote ase enese obetimi afre na afi wobisa wo question no wobisa question na wobeto wombo na weyia no ede amount sanzo so na obetimi ama wo kwan na afi wache wadwen ewo enema ye gboso no ho we are a family into sometimes wo hwa na ade na me konye ne be yi pachokachi obi say omra BWF solicitors ewo 214 to 218 Tottenham High Road no so Seven Sisters North London ubetimi ababe hu Monday to Friday e free anopa 9:30 ekopim enyumre 6 o'clock ofra omo ebeje oso na buka appointment obehu lawyer for no mu ebia na afi ode ujumedi no ato ho kama hihye strategy pa yede any home office odi see any so 50% na last week na ko benka you know emu be 70% of the 50% free ha na ekro nti hemma no enye wade tintin bia number no enie 0208 493 7340 we share in screen so it's the first number before the stroke 0208 493 7340 and I'll say 077 127 61884 and then your lawyer Francis Owusu Bosompem ha waboyema sa abwana your friend so responsibility no ye yine to entuma na ebetwa na chima na afi yenso yenya yenkonibedie. Interestingly, we had somebody who sent in typical refusal letter Emma able to digest it. Boy and Paddy Pakra the brave what trust him now so one program so as well. On the call line so lawyer. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, I just saying.
Me patrol you na unso.
Adumo. Maybe be aboko there. Asa okasa no aye boko bi. E ma bibia ha wati. Bibia wadru no wi. Why? Hello.
Hello.
Missing my bibia how baby wadru the problem near you.
Me patrol you that's it.
Lawyer Francis how with you.
Me patrol lawyer masem bisane say me wonua bia okita EU passport but onni ha na wabem waremu abeye NI no and our John walk back to Italy. And me person me bisa say, obe to me about a settlement nana.
Hello?
Hello?
What you mean?
If I try.
Now, Obera more so call back now. Why not you so better na UK hand more for the rest of the life nana?
If I told me name the editing bisano.
Yeah, because I was here careful about such the way you behave towards say your bunny econo. Because ubet na hanuma and I say upese we ye there but I see EU settlement scheme no and they say EU for moti hanumo ye free mo ye free EU mo no free movement na end no Say omo pese omo talk koso etina krom hanoma. Ye say omo nye EU settlement scheme ni bi. The enti am ebusa sa question. Nti say onye na adwun say obe settle wo hanom dia. Onye careful. Say why na adwun say obe settle wo krom hanoma. Obetimi aba be EU settlement scheme no. Why?
Me pacho you. Now with that no and requirements ben was say wunya.
And once obe share any proof of residence. Why?
Okay.
Yeah.
Me pacho you, pacho.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's it.
Yeah, dancing yami in show from so to me after 0208123116. Uncle Francis, we will say I want to do life in the UK before taking the test. Please, any idea?
Life in the UK before taking the test. Yeah, I mean a bit strange, kakra. Yo, my fight here for go through. So, Castle will be person life in the UK test now. That means or a must be a person naturalizing in future as a British.
Okay.
In this case, there are requirements, for naturalization. SCN is we say will have a life in the UK test. Why yeah, whicher. And I will say we know English language at level B1. And also I will say whicher. And I will say we show residency requirements, and only you say year ni no unfi krom ha 6 months, more than 6 months every year be for first 5 years. So worry British near. So I worry British near and also sir, but within the first 3 years, I will say which say unfi krom ha for. But there are exceptions to that.
Okay.
Make exceptions me say residency requirement say what busu into what busu be potting wo hontia ubusu no ebi ne saying bia we maame ana say we obi a okọ umpese oba wo UK ha wako Ghana wako wo into no because of that I was say otina we now go through medical issues and now say we obi a say me go school me pese me call high school me go school or Ghana into what relocate akotena I am more than school no about a year or two and no a exception and a biomun so na bia wadwuma wa transfer to other country and yet UK ha no mo into no so another exception te waba me pese me naturalize into these are the things I will say we meet if I say I will say we obi a wadi over 18 and I will say we have a good character. Okay. Now what they say life in UK exams na ka home. Now the English language. Now what prove say unfi kroma more than the first year unfi kroma more than 6 months times 5. That will be about 450 for you to know say unfi kroma for that to meet the residence requirement. Unless exception be a way to media explaining.
Okay.
Why?
Mimpeke will be at the infanto so now and also say good evening to all. I want to know if I can use my ex-partner's address as a proof of address after a divorce is granted for a new application.
Yeah, that would be difficult because when in new
address
there. See, Miss Rawa, the other questions here, but yeah, na you say one in a jaya. Untimi ko use na address.
Bia no montamugo.
Fine, so be play there oti ho. That's the question.
That's the question. Okay.
Right.
Obi so the text be by the send the email no koto spam no.
Oh, okay.
No be some further questions. Should he apply again and should I send them a separate email to say it landed in my spam?
Debbie, you don't need to send them a separate email. Your application now why is plain actually say even ubetimi a print baby I'll pick no free the spam now they are attached and close to it say this is what I received it from my spam mail into a search I have to do another application. By explaining say because of this deadline meant me a meeting. Why?
Okay. I was for mobile kaya last week me boss so say crazy be and from na me say me hu say baby a nkoma yedie ane adechra BWF solicitors mpanyfo ade emaye no utimi edi achire anase etesen na quiza yɛde to yɛn Twitter so any part of social media platforms, Facebook ne ade no. Any question here me de every or say John and Jane are newlywed, but they are unhappy together and want to divorce. According to the Matrimonial Causes Act 1973 as amended, how long do they need to be married before they can apply for divorce? Sir John and Jane, the and according to the Matrimonial Causes Act of 1973, Mrana Mahokwan Emma Ware Utimijai and some processes coming. How long do they need to be married before they can apply for a divorce? Any amount multiple choice answers. To say GCSE A 1 year. B 6 months, C immediately, and D 2 years.
Get the answer and send it to us. That's it.
No, my answer no. We had the bar last week, and
okay.
I'll be the me person me and say the question number 2, Facebook, YouTube, Facebook and Twitter and Instagram. Ni nyina ye BWF solicitors. But you could Monday, so the TNS say the BWF solicitors legal nuggets not yet ever. Some very interesting information is coming out on Monday from 12 noon. Boy, we are 12. Check our WhatsApp and Facebook and Twitter and our Instagram. The nuggets number 2. There's very important information. Ebia there to Hosebeya unto ubetimi ehunu city. And a question we, but they are 2 for 1 week. Don't want to only answer some of the brave like Francis. Don't want to say oh come on OBC immediately. OBC 2 years. Pamparam was the answer. Me man yanu na me fa de mo de ma me nemra.
Fa de other mom.
Me fa cho say obi betimi ayi ano a frame say see in the next minute and sana me the answer na to. Obetimi ayi ano a question at that screen also do. Was it John and Jane are newlywed. But they are unhappy together and want to divorce. According to the Matrimonial Causes Act 1973 as amended, how long do they need to be married before they can apply for a divorce? I was saying, and sana omo etimi ejai aware. No worry enche you. 1 year. 6 months. And now say ometimi ejai munumuha or 2 years. Evelyn Jetia, what the answer ba? What's the okay. Now I'm going to put people's answers on the screen.
Oh, are they?
And every time
their names. Oh, they are Omudi count.
Oh, Omudi count. Omudi count. Nana Oberima Obrimpong, I think it is immediately. Theodora Nyako, 3 years. Lydia, 6 months. Evelyn Jetua, 2 years. Anita Achampong, 1 year.
Hey.
And Nikkei, immediately. Boy Golden, 2 years. Akosia part, man, first 6 years and come on, then I'm going 6 years. Sledge, 2 years. Covenant Grace, a year, 1 year. Akosia Part, 6 months. Patricia Foster, who's a year? How many years? Okay. Kofi Sugar say C immediately. Asante Richard, immediately. Now, Francis, I'm going to find something.
So, okay, so many answers about.
Many answers now. Pam. I'm going to find something. Mama Yanwe, Anna. Okay. Okay.
We only public name, but say very bobo.
Debbie, if you do
The
the answer is 1 year. Now let me give you the reason why it is 1 year. Or see, you can get divorced in England or Wales if all of the following are true. 1, you have been married for over 1 year. Into one who said 1 year. Okay, good. So I'm running count. Matrimonial Causes Act 1973. Now I have one also as amended. Number 2, your relationship is broken down permanently. Number 3, your marriage is legally recognized in the UK, including same-sex marriage. And the UK is your permanent home of your husband or wife. And until me pacho answer no 1 year. Nyame aduma, me de another question ebeto page no so. YouTube, Facebook, WhatsApp group, there are people who are in my network. I'll give you the question. And I feel so you have Twitter and Instagram. But Nyame aduma, Monday 12 noon, our legal nugget will come out. And the information is brilliant. Don't miss it for all the gold at Obuasi. Obi from Hello.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Well, now, a question here, and I'm a person joining.
Atmam.
Well,
and Gabija.
Well, good, I'm ready. And I'm ready as well.
Okay. Now, wait. I will say, David, Atmam now. Oh, your pocket lawyer, Timami Kutu. Or say Matrimonial Causes Act 19 what?
1977.
73. And the additional bracket as amended. Into Emradi and American and yeah, Amamre.
Okay, but we didn't
know. Me, Uncle.
We didn't know, but it's a baby, so who bet me a boot to any time. You know, I know why you are not crowding me boot to know, so I'm wild.
But Emram, who quite auntie, who bet me a boot to the mountain van your way.
I'm the only anya, and I didn't get to me boot to know.
Only enemy, I mean, from Sir Wine.
I got you.
Yamisha,
bye-bye.
Like Francis, but your Baba story, Sabi, Amamre, Muso, Inti. For a minute, just give me a summary as to what we actually looked at. Understanding sole responsibility in UK immigration issues.
Yo, Medanema no kakra. You call English, yeah. Yeah, what we talked about initially is about the sole responsibility. And that sole responsibility, we started by linking up with entry clearance applications. But on the other hand, along the line, I explained that if you are even in UK here and you can prove that you have a sole responsibility to a qualifying child, i.e. being a British child or a child who has settled in UK or a child who has lived here continuously 7 years, you can make an application on the basis that you have a sole parental responsibility on that child. And this time it will fall under something we call parent root under the family appendix FM of the immigration rules. So in the nutshell, what I can say is that those who can prove that they are single parent here in UK can make an application on the basis of the sole parental responsibility. And also, if you have a child overseas and the child is under 18 and you can prove sole parental responsibility, you can also make an application and bring the child to join you here under our immigration rules, paragraph 297.
Here, what we can look at it is the sole parental responsibility is based on facts. You have to show facts and evidence that what you are saying by coming up with your evidence, what do you do for the child? In terms of the day-to-day activity, you can delegate that one to a relative, but you have to prove that you have continuous control and direction of the child's welfare and the upbringing. So as such, with these evidences, you can show that, or you can make an application towards that. If the child is in overseas, you can make an entry clearance application. And if the child is in UK here, and is a qualified child, you can make an application on the basis of you having a sole parental responsibility.
Yeah, I was here. Lawyer Francis Owusu Bosompem and a boy na dear me de ebe jawo and sakrana masain ababepon is the update that I gave you earlier on in the program. Mr. Banyansafo Yibunibe and Kanasam. Ebe drew say a year 30th of June, ebe sinyako na we EU SS application 1 year ya. When here, we'll be laughing at the wrong side of our mouth. And I don't want that. Last week, Uncle Ben Kai, as is going to be said in this update, said, be a bit drew horror. Na yentimi wow. Watch this.
That on some year. So we EU ni, EU ni ebusiani, wa worry EU ni da. Wasitana ukutane EU ni nchina yadema wa. Na since January 2019, when year application be anko home officer, very likely say what the ano yadada ni bi. Eno ne yese bra na be sesa no ti momma obi ante na omon sesa ono abetimi aye wo internet so e wo ni phone so ope lawyer obetimi akọ lawyer ba ono abetimi aye we nye minisika nti manye we nye anya wa obetimi aye nti monye na June betwam a ye nti kra se ye mu bi kra sa ade we aka no ko basa na ye nyina no na ye tete because there was a pet choir at the bomb by.
Say, Uwo, a home in Kitahundiabi, and now said once in Bisabia. But Modia said over for BWF solicitors. BWF solicitors, every to me, Abwell, Ama, why your EU settlement scheme application. Na June, it drew Nasa a tremor when you are yaya because the battery and yadia a bayanica. For BWF. And yadi jumedi no ebesie na mama memfa munyina maseda kese emma yenia lawyer Francis Owusu Bosompem lawyer na minsha wati
That's say next was so you more
we what to boy yin some no to her at the amaya so responsibility now why na ho
boy be went me
we you to a crata and you am so I would will letter ebre you know well as if we knew and we wanted to we are buying ama ye questions no do na no but say wo question for be wo issue for be na opese lawyer for eboawa and a BWF solicitors for any encomo 0208 493 7340. Asada enko ma BWF solicitors abusia for and our fame so one our taichi eboa production ye Unia Padmo do any Unia Bashila and our fame so more actually Asia ye ewo more film about radio 4 and then one what's not TV honey idea munyina yedamwase. If you came on, left your comments and we were not able to pick up, remember, time and tide waits for no man, and we can never be exceptions to this general rule. Whatever it is, we are operating in a limited space. In Tifache, you say, sometime next week, say, share, me at the Wodia no Abba. Ebi also so say, we share page now. Congratulations, thank you so very much. Last week, as I said, you gave us 370. This time, I won 500. Pick it up, even though we are rounding up. Pick up, give it to another person, put it on your platform, put it on your network. Now, amount for because information na ya share na eneno very vital and ebeboa na wonso watimi atu anamopa titu ewo wasetremo ewo UK ha ebi o me saka was COVID-19 is still real and with us. Those times they were numbers, now they are names and people will know. So protect yourself. Wash your hands regularly with running water and soap. Use your hand sanitizer as much as possible. Face covering, don't ever forget, especially when you go into your public space. They say, crowded shops in Bibre, if you don't have a face covering, they don't allow you enter. So what? Ghana shop and now say little shop and people are coming in and they find it difficult. Supply them some. No more fingering. Let's protect ourselves and check a bit. And this too shall pass. I was here. And I'm do a BC. You want that's it. If I'm a reku Owusu Bosompem and the ebio mene lawyer Francis Owusu Bosompem and Edi Jumano. Yame ain't sure na on show so na ebrepemo yebesai eshiabu. Especially same time next week between 4 and 6 p.m. in the UK.
Jesus, you're my everything, yeah. My everything is you, Lord.